So y'all, in today's video is gonna be more of an information video, but I'm gonna go ahead and clear up this first question that's starting to float around again. I actually did a video on this question: how much is my monthly payments? My monthly payments is $468 or $469 to be exact. It's one of those numbers. Like, I don't actually pay my payments myself. My payments come out of my check weekly because I'm financed through my job. So it's like I'm not even making a car payment, but I am. The car payment is taken out of my check before I even get my money. So it's one of those numbers. The car, I financed it for 72 months, but I've been doubling up on payments, so I'm not going to actually be paying for the car for 72 months. It's going to be paid off way sooner than what it's supposed to be. And no, I'm saying this right now, no, I'm not trading in slime for a Hellcat. If I get a Hellcat, well, whenever I do get a Hellcat, because that's my plans, I want to get that straight out and keep slime. But I can't tell the future. But I do know I'm gonna get a Hellcat. Another thing that you need to think about when getting one of these, especially brand new, is taxes. You know, that's gonna come around yearly, and you think, okay, I got it. You know, I got a whole year to save for this, but it'll hit you out of nowhere. When I first got this car, my taxes was $730 something, and that hurt. That's a lot of money. That's way more than my car payment. But this year it went down $100, which is still a lot. It is $621, and I got the paper right here that I'm gonna show y'all. And it's like, where is this money going? Like, if you knew where I actually live, you gonna look around and be like, where is it going?
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The big living boom, cuz. Let's do it. The big like a boom, cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The big living boom, cuz she liking my flow. Big being on eyes, bitch caught the scope. Beat the bar, the rider with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch, gon' hit the door. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime I do, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he the real. I started to pull up and shut up the water. Now show us the nigga. Let's do it. Hot little boy on that.
So now that I got that information out of the way, I'm about to give y'all some information on slime. You know, what's to come, what I got going on. And this right here is already in the making. Y'all know I'm getting the pieces up under my hood. Hydro Dip, I got a little sponsorship with that. And I'm gonna show y'all some updates on that right now. Clips, but I've been forgetting to put it in videos because I mean, that's up under the hood. That's not something that you see every day, so it's been slipping my mind. But if y'all want to get in touch with them, I'm gonna put that information down below in the description. Y'all let them know Slime Pack sent you. Y'all gotta put Slime Pack name in this so y'all can get the best deals, I'm telling you. So y'all comment down below and give me some ideas what I should do, you know, or what you would do, and I'm gonna go out for whatever y'all feed me. Not saying that I'm gonna pick whatever you say. I'm gonna just, you know, use y'all suggestions to try to come up with something creative, because I want to do something different. I be seeing a lot of the same routes, a lot of camo routes. a lot of the same color shifting wraps. I want to do something different, but I still want to stay in the, I ain't even gonna say that. I'm gonna just keep it there. I want to do something different. I like to do stuff to stand out. So if you like it, and if you don't like it whenever I get it, then that's on you, because I'm doing whatever I want to do and what pleases me. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know this. So tomorrow I got an appointment set up to get my cats gutted. A while back, I think his name was Fatkat, I watched a video where he gutted his cats and he didn't get no check engine light, no nothing. I live in North Carolina, so check engine light, you can't pass inspection without that, and we have inspection on cars yearly whenever we pay our taxes. So I'm going to get that done tomorrow, and hopefully I can bring y'all a video the very next day. I'm gonna at least try to. If I can't bring it the very next day, then y'all probably gonna get that video maybe 2 days later. I'm trying to upload more, but anyway, y'all know I've been mentioning this. I want loud over speed. The car is fast enough for me. You know, I'm not really into racing. I just bring y'all racing content because y'all like to see that, and I'm here to keep y'all entertained, but I just want to be louder without a check engine light. So hopefully everything goes right. I got the parts. I got 2 of these. Hopefully he'll let me record the process. I don't know if he really want me to record him or want his business out there like that, but hopefully I can bring y'all some of that footage. But if you want to really see the in detail of how to do it, I'm gonna try to pin Fatkat video up here somewhere, or I'm gonna put it down below in the description. Is it something else? I think that's all I had to tell y'all. Oh, another thing, a burnout video is on the way. I've been holding out on tires because I really want to go 315s, and in order for me to go 315s, I'm gonna need a different size wheels for the back. I want to go 315s at the back and 275s at the front. So it's like I've been looking for some wheels around my price range that I want to spend, but I ain't really found nothing yet. Somebody told me that I could fit a 305 on these stock wheels. It's a 9.5 wheel, but I don't know. I got 295s on here now. I really want to go for a wider look. That's why I really want to go 315s. So if I don't find no wheels in my price range by within the next 2 weeks, then I'm gonna just go ahead and get tires. I need tires now, but you know, I feel like I can get a little bit more wear out of them. And also, if y'all know anybody that's trying to get rid of their Hellcat wheels for a reasonable price, comment down below in the comment section or hit me up on Instagram. You see my Instagram is down below there at the bottom of the screen. If they got tires that come with the package too, I'll take that. But look, I ain't trying to spend a lot of money. So if you know anybody that's selling Hellcat wheels, let me know. And they have to be black. I don't really want gloss, but as long as they black, I'll take them. I think that's all I had to tell y'all. Like I said, this wasn't gonna be an action-packed video, just me giving y'all some information on some questions that I be asked and an update on slime. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, and if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Also, follow me on Instagram, please. I can't stress this enough. Instagram is at the bottom of the screen, and also it is in the description. And once again, this video is sponsored by Keontae J. Hicks. Head over there to get your credit repaired, credit fixed, credit built, anything you need credit wise. Let him know that Slime Pack sent you so you can get the best deal.
that Kelly shit. Y'all know what the fuck going on.
Hey, Kelly.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it.
Come on.
I gotta pop my shit.
Pop that shit.
Hey. I got them bitches that suck up the crew. Pull out the yacht, bitch, see how I shoot. Pull out the hood, we gon' pull up on you, bitch, I'm tired, but I'm